Exadata, X3 and X7, how this both can be clubbed together, and how do you make use of them? Okay, any more questions? How to store data in Exadata? Okay, so the data store is actually the storage server. Everything gets stored in the storage server. Each storage server comprises of, is actually a compute server. It has hard disk attached to it. And the most famous concept inside Oracle database is Oracle ASM. And Oracle ASM is going to manage and store the data inside the storage server. And ASM is a wonderful tool that world as the Oracle database world is having. It has a lot of capabilities. Okay, and if you use it in the right way, you can have your data secured. In Exadata, in the traditional world, if you are using ASM, each disk you can configure each disk as a failure group. Again, I will repeat, each disk as a failure group. In Exadata, each storage server is a failure group. So we're going to see how that is actually configured. When I say each storage server is a failure group, you can switch off one of the storage server, and there will be no disturbance to your running system. You can remove that server. You can do any kind of storage, any kind of server administration, changing, cleaning it, annual maintenance, changing the network card or anything, and then power it on, and you can start working on the next storage server. Battery replacement is one of the commonly done task every quarter or every half a year. How do they do it? The engineer will come in. They will not call they will not call the database guy. They will not tell. They no need to tell anybody out there, because they can actually pull out one of the storage server, and this is happening live for thousands of customers who have purchased Exadata. Live changes happens on the system. So we are going to see about how these changes are happening. What are the key things that has to be done? How do you, let's say you are somewhere sitting remotely and you are monitoring these things happening. How do you monitor whether things have been done properly? Let's say you do not have access to the data center. How do you check it from your offshore setup or your IT department? How do you check it from there? What are the commands that you need to run? Okay, any more questions? Thank you. Thank you to all for your time, and I hope we will meet again, and I will share the best of what I have. Yeah, thank you.